Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. I'm going to look at the Smith Corona Standard here again, portable. This little guy. Been working on this a while. Now I'm going to replace these bumpers that are underneath the spacebar because it seems like it's making more noise, especially when you release that bar. It doesn't sound too bad right now. I don't know. I think it was with the case on it. It sounded worse. But the rubber under there is just old and hard as a rock, so I'm figuring something's got to be better. So I looked through my drawer of rubber parts. This is one of two drawers I've got full of rubber I've been collecting for 40 years. And I found two little pieces here that might just fit in here pretty good. So this has these little bumpers right there, and they are hard as a rock, and they fit into this little bracket. I'm just going to break this out of here and be done with it. There it goes. Okay, so it leaves that little hole. I don't know if it's coming through on the camera. Can't see. Okay, yeah, so it's that little hole right there. So I'm hoping this little piece will fit in there without too much trouble, and I'm hoping, back this off a little so I can get in here. Hoping this thing just fits right in there, but nothing fits right in unless it's meant to fit right in. Let's see. But this is going to be pretty close. There's a little piece there. You know what I was going to... let's see if I can figure out if I have to do something. So far, no. Let's try something else here. Let's try this piece. It's tougher. Might have to take that piece out. The bracket here, so I can get to it. It'd be nice if that just fit in there. The camera's not cooperating, and the piece just popped out. Yeah, it's not easily accessible. Oops. Oh, it's pretty. I wonder if this piece comes out. Looks like it does. Alright, let's do something a little aggressive here. Well, not say aggressive, but more than I planned on doing. But I think this last screw here, and this whole front frame will come off. Give me some access. Yeah. like it. Okay, all those screws look the same, so let's see if this piece comes right out of here. Let's see why I shouldn't. There it comes. Okay, that's what I want right there. So let's see if we can get this to squeeze in. Oh, mighty fine. Wow, I can't believe that fit that nice. Now, I have to find the other piece that fell into the machine here somewhere. And it's not the perfectest fit, but there's the other piece. So this side is crumbling. And I'll squeeze this piece right in here. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. I'm not even sure where I got those from, but that's pretty good. That's a pretty good match. Jeez. And I only found those two out of that whole, all that rubber parts I had. I only found those two pieces. And like I said, I'm not even sure where they came from. Okay, let's button this up on camera so I can try it and see if it's any better or not. Okay, why this isn't lining up here, I don't know. There it goes. And I bet this is, if it works, maybe I can find some of those pieces. It's a pretty common machine here, so. Okay, let's tighten this up with the bigger screwdriver. This is the Craftsman screwdriver that I reformed the tip to make it one of those flat tip styles that don't hop out of the screw. Just used the Dremel tool and made a perfect blade out of it. It's really good on these vintage screws. It's got a perfectly straight edge. Okay, let's try this. Let's see how she sounds. I don't know. Doesn't sound that much different, I hate to say. Oh well, I tried. it's got to be somewhat of an improvement. And I think the bottom here, there's an adjustment here. There's a tab right there that I might have to move. Let's see how it spaces. I'll probably form this. It's not that one piece isn't as thick, so I'm going to form this piece to make contact. So it bottoms out. Same thing with this side. I'll form this piece. That bottom pad is definitely not as big as the other piece. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.